For centuries, the Mediterranean Sea has facilitated trade between the cultures of its basin, and this has influenced the way it produces, cooks, and consumes food. In Catalonia, the privileged climate and the proximity to both the sea and the mountains give rise to a wide variety of products, leading to a cuisine rich in aromas and flavours that brings the landscape to the table. With a nutritional pattern based on fresh and seasonal foods, the Mediterranean diet is a world reference. It is recognised by the WHO as one of the healthiest and by the FAO as one of the most sustainable, linked to a balanced lifestyle that respects people and the planet. The Mediterranean diet is also a way of connecting with food based on tradition, and at the same time open to creativity, innovation, and dialogue with other peoples and cultures. A way to cultivate, produce, eat, and enjoy them, above all in company. Catalonia, where life expectancy is among the highest in the world, has managed to preserve and turn into a gastronomic experience and lifestyle, a legacy admired everywhere and declared an intangible cultural heritage of humanity by UNESCO. With the desire to continue being a benchmark, Catalonia wants to promote and preserve the Mediterranean diet so that it can be passed down from generation to generation and continue to take care of us and our environment.